video, I'm going to show you how to submit your URL or the address of the program you create in Scratch. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in Scratch. And I'm just going to create a new program very quickly. So I'll start with an event. I'll make this happen forever, and I'll wait a second in between switching between costumes. And now this program should make it look like the cat's walking, sort of. Okay, so I've written my program. I'm going to put a title on it. I'll call it Walking Cat. And now I'm going to share it. When I click on Share, the program is going to pop back up, and at this point it'll have what's called a URL. Our URL is an address. You'll see it up here. It says scratch.mit.edu/projects, and then it has some numbers after it. I'm going to highlight that, right click, and I'm going to copy. I'm going to close the programming window. I'm going back to my course in Loudon Vision. Each section has what's called a program submission. I'm going to right now click on Week 1 Program Link Submission, and I get another pop-up window, and I'm going to say my first name is Moose, and I am Moose number 032, and where it says Web Link Submission, I'm going to right click, paste that URL. I'm going to say whether it was a challenge program or if it was a programming assignment, and click Submit. Now really the one that I created is neither of the two, but this is just an example. What's happening in the background now is that link went to Google, and Google's created a bunch of these links so that you could go in and find other people's links. This is the one I just created. See, it said it was created today. I'm going to open it up, and now I have a link right there. It says program link from Moose32. I'm going to click on it. And hopefully it will open up the program that I just created, the one that had Walking Cat. And the nice thing about this, it'll come up here in a minute. The nice thing about this is it allows you to share your URL with people in your class so they can all look and see the kind of work you've been doing. And then underneath, they could leave a comment for you, something like, I like your walking cat, and post that. And that's all you need to do to submit your URL